Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about russet potatoes, and I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with russets. So if you're looking for something different to do with those potatoes that you so dearly love, hopefully this will help you out. This is part 2 video on this list. The list was long, so I divided it up into 2 videos, and if you haven't seen the part 1 video, I have a link to that below in the description box. Combine russet potatoes with fennel, lemon, and yogurt, or potatoes with garlic and herbs such as oregano, rosemary, and or sage. How about potatoes with garlic, lemon, olive oil, parsley, and vinegar? Or potatoes with garlic, lemon zest, parsley, rosemary, and thyme. Or potatoes with garlic and olive oil. Potatoes with garlic, olive oil, and walnuts. Potatoes with Gruyere cheese and winter squash. Potatoes with herbs like oregano, rosemary, and or thyme, and lemon. Or potatoes with leeks and parsley. Well, I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas, something a little different to do with those potatoes. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.